After a time of reflection, I decided to travel again to Turkey. Turkey's diverse landscapes offer me a kaleidoscope of moments to treasure. It's in the gentle breeze, the laughter of friends, and the colors of nature that I find true beauty. From historic streets of Istanbul to tranquil beaches of Oludeniz and Fethhiye, I ventured through Marmaris and Gocek. Each destination held its own charm and stories to uncover. Travel helps me rediscover myself, celebrating who I am, and embracing my true essence.
Acıdan